Bullish quantum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $12.83 and $24.23 by 2030. Market investigators accept Qtum could reach $9.98 by 2025. Bearish quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.28. Quantum presentation. Qtum is a mixture blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by consolidating their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements in decentralized applications while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They have collected an amazing group of consultants, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuel. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angel List. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum special? The Qtum blockchain has two special advances that mean to tackle the four issues its pioneers seen as most tricky in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention. The record reflection layer takes into account more prominent interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between brilliant agreements and certifiable applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, taking into consideration simpler communication. Furthermore, all makes it conceivable to interface savvy contracts with genuine applications, which has been challenging to do as of not long ago. The Decentralized Administration Convention resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be changed by anybody who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at an unequaled high of $85.70 in February 2018. Be that as it may, the market before long amended, and the value tumbled to $4.30 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained generally stable from that point forward, with a couple of rectifications. Qtum is presently worth $2.85 USD. Qtum has moved 2.52% as of now with an exchanging volume of $32,265,295. Qtum is presently positioned 114 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $292,091,756 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous quantum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Quantum Value Expectation 2023 Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Qtum cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $4.28. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $3.99 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.42. Quantum Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Quantum Qtum cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $7.13. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $5.70 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.27. Quantum Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $9.98 and Qtum might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9.12 and a low of $8.55 in 2025. Quantum Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Qtum effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, The QTUM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, QTUM will be green in 2026. The QTUM is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $12.83, with a base cost of $11.40 and a typical cost of $11.97. Quantum value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the QTUM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $14.82 by 2027, with a base cost of $14.25 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, QTUM has a greatest value worth of $15.68. Quantum value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $17.67. In the event that QTUM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $18.53. Neglecting to assemble the help QTUM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $17.10. Quantum value expectation 2029. While QTUM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $19.96 and a yearly cost close above $21.38 in 2029. Quantum value forecast 2030. By 2030, Quantum will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $22.81 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $24.23, averaging out at $23.38. Quantum value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme QTUM cost in 2031 is projected to be $27.94 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $26.80. Determination QTUM is a digital money that expects to bring blockchain innovation to the business world. Its interesting half-and-half agreement model joins the best of both confirmation of stake and evidence of work, considering more prominent adaptability and versatility than either framework alone. What's more, QTUM uses savvy contracts, making it an expected stage for applications going from monetary administrations to production network the executives. Generally, QTUM is a significant venture with a great deal of possibilities. Its half-breed agreement model gives it a benefit over other cryptographic forms of money, and its utilization of savvy contracts makes it a flexible stage with various potential applications. On the off chance that it can satisfy its commitments, QTUM could have a brilliant future. What is the quantum cost today? Today, Quantum is exchanging at $2.85 with